The multi-head ultrasonic plastic welding machine is a specialized system designed for welding and assembling packaging boxes. It is mainly used in filtration product packaging equipment, providing precise, efficient, and uniform welding through multiple ultrasonic heads operating simultaneously. The machine operates at a frequency of 20 kHz, and each generator has a power rating of 2000 watts. The main components include the ultrasonic generators, the horn that applies vibrations to the plastic, and the fixture that securely holds the workpiece in place.